Okay, we're going to do the maiden today of the zohd drift. It's very windy. It's about 10 miles an hour with gusts to 15. I'm hoping this is going to work. As you can see how breezy it is. I don't know if you could see it, but you can see the grass moving. Alright, well, here we go. Got her on 50% throttle. She's flying sideways. That is great. Wow, it's really breezy. I don't know if we should make this a good flight, a long flight, or okay, here we go, coming back around with the wind. Gain some altitude. Ooh, yes, she could be hairy. Gave it a little throttle there. Yeah, it's kind of windy. I think we're going to do a short flight with this, but it's flying. It's good to go. Got it about 3/4 throttle now. Wow, it's real windy up there. Windy down here too. She's flying. Got it in medium rates right now. Ooh, look at that turn. Wind's really pushing her. She glides nice. Okay, we have the throttle completely off right now. And she's just gliding. Wow. Wow, this thing can probably glide forever. Look at that. That is something. There's no throttle at all. That's just a straight glide. Okay, we're gonna give her some throttle. Get her back up there. She's working great. I don't know if I should test return to home, but I'm going to anyway, so I'm going to flip it to return to home right now. She's climbing and turning, and she's coming right at me. Nice. Okay, we put it back in stabilized mode. It's too windy to do it in manual mode, but I think she's flying beautifully. Okay, my CG marks. I didn't like where the CG marks were on the model. They looked too far back. So what I did was I did the 1/3 of the wing chord, which is about 2 inches. And that's where I put my CG, 2 inches from the leading edge of the wing. And look at that thing fly. especially in this kind of wind. I just lowered the throttle a little. I don't think it needs it. I mean, this thing could probably glide for a while. If I go up, and I'm going to shut the throttle off now, look at that thing glide. That's basically almost level. Wow, that's just gliding. That's a glide. That is unbelievable. Okay, we put it at 50% throttle. It's a good glider. Wow. Oh. Okay, we're coming around. I hit the switch, the tripod. Hit the switch to return to home. That was bad. But she's working. Still 50% throttle. She is flying beautifully.
5 minutes.
Okay, we're up in the air for 5 minutes already. This is a Z's 7.4 volt, 2200 milliamp, 50C battery. So we should get a pretty good flight out of this. At least 20 minutes, I would assume. If I'm flying it at 50% throttle. Flying really nice. I gotta stay away from this tripod before I flip the switch again. She could probably glide forever. We'll do the 10 minutes and then I'll let you know what the battery is. I want to keep an eye on the plane because it's really windy and I don't really know this plane that good yet. But so far, look at how fast it goes downwind. That is awesome. Look at that turn, slow turning into the wind. Yeah, it flies on 50% throttle. What is that, 2.5 amps?
3 minutes.
That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. The wind pushes her though. She is light. With this battery, it's 248 grams. Okay, that's the wind is hitting it now. Wow. Very slow. Look at that. What are we up, 65 meters? That's not bad. Okay. Yeah, this plane is a good glider. Real windy though. Look at that. Look at that turn very slowly at 50% throttle. Wow. I think we're going to bring it in. It's starting to get real breezy. Yeah. Yeah, we're going to bring her in. Not a bad flight with the Zod drift today in steady 10 mile an hour winds and gusts of 15, and she flew beautifully. We only used 620 milliamps out of 2,200, so we probably got a lot of time left. All right, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.